Hey, welcome to another product highlight for Medical Gear Outfitters. So this is the Safeguard Medical Pre-Lubed 28 NPA. We know a 28 NPA is going to fit most adults. This is what you're going to find in most of your trauma kits that are pre-built. People just go and put a 28 NPA in. I've done plenty of videos demonstrating how to actually use this. This is just a product highlight. I do like this one because it is pre-lubed. So typically on the ambulance, fire truck, things like that, you're going to find these Dynarex NPAs. Nothing wrong with them. They work fantastic, but they have to have lubrication. So you've got to have some kind of lube to go with them to insert them past the airway. This one already has that taken care of. So we could tear here or here, open the NPA up, slide it in, protect our patient's airway, and it doesn't have to be lubed. So I'm not looking for this. That way you're not digging to the bottom of your kit, looking in the bottom of your bag for the lube when you need to insert an NPA. So if you are looking for an NPA for your airway kit and you're trained on how to use it and you feel comfortable putting in your kit, I'll put a link down below. Thank you guys for watching.